Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. Obviously, I'm a shopaholic, we already know that. So I'm just gonna have a quick beauty haul. I actually bought a lot more than just makeup this time. You guys just have to keep watching the video to see everything that I got. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna start with what I got from Colourpop. This is probably the first thing that I bought that sparked this whole shopping spree. As you guys know, they came out, or maybe you don't know, I don't know, it depends if you like Colourpop and keep up with them, but they came out with foundations. They came out with a foundation line and a setting powder line and whatever, and I really wanted to try it, and they were having a promotion going on. If you spend over $35, you get a free foundation brush. First, I'm gonna start with the free brush. It looks like this. It's the F16. I'm not sure if you can just go on Colourpop and buy it. You might be able to, but this is just what the brush looks like. It's just your basic foundation brush. Obviously, the star of the show, how could I not buy it, but the no filter foundation. I haven't used it yet. I hope it's my shade. I got the shade Light 45 because I'm pretty pale. I'm literally blending in with this white shirt, but yeah, I got the color Light 45. This is what the box looks like. It's pretty simple, you know. And then this is what the foundation looks like. It is very tiny. I didn't expect it to be this small. It's not even 1 ounce. It's not even 1 fluid ounce, but Colourpop is inexpensive, so I guess that makes sense. This is just what the packaging looks like. It's pretty cute. Next thing that I got is their no filter setting powder. It has the same packaging, and on the side it says "Put me on your face," which I thought was kind of funny, but could just be me. Anyways, this is what the powder looks like. It's a pretty decent size. No, it's 8.5 grams. So that's a lot of product. I guess it depends on how much you set your face and how much you bake, but this is just what the packaging looks like. Next thing that I got from Colourpop was a pressed powder shadow. I got the shade Hop On, which is this bright orange. So it comes with a little pressed powder insert, and you just stick it in, and it has a little mirror, which is cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick that in. Yeah, this is just what the eyeshadow looks like. And that is what it looks like right here. The last thing that I got from Colourpop is from the Shayla Colourpop collab. I actually repurchased this specific lipstick. This is in the shade Quickie. It's a really pretty nude color. Next, I got some stuff from BH Cosmetics. Now, the reason I got some stuff from them is because sometimes when I'm bored, I just randomly go on their website to see if they have any sales, and surprise, surprise, they had a sale. It was if you spend $40 or $35, something like that, you get a free brush set. And I was gonna buy brushes, so I ended up getting 2 brush sets, and then some other stuff. So the first thing that I got was this lip liner. It's in this shade Sandy, and it's just a nude color. So this is what the lip liner looks like. It's a pencil one, so you have to sharpen it, but this is the shade Sandy. So you can see it's literally a nude color, and I love nude lip liners because I feel it goes great with lip gloss and literally any lip color. So next, I bought a brush set. I love BH Cosmetics brushes. They're very inexpensive. My ride or die brushes are Morphe brushes, but BH Cosmetics are pretty good too, and you can usually get a set for really cheap. I think I paid $9 or $10 for this set because it was on sale. It comes with 12 brushes and a little makeup bag, as you can see in the picture. This is what the bag looks like. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this bag. It's so pretty and mermaidy. A lot of space in here for your brushes, and I love the packaging and the color. It is so cute. This is perfect for traveling, or if you're going to the beach and you need to throw a few things in here. Onto the brushes. Like I said, it came with 12. I'm gonna read off the box which brush is which. The first brush is a deluxe powder brush. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice and fluffy. I feel this would be great for bronzer. But that's the first brush that came in the set. The second brush is a large bronzing brush, that's what it says. Third brush looks like this, and it is a rounded buffing brush. The fourth brush is a flat contoured brush. This is perfect for when you're trying to bake and you want that sharp line. Then I got some eye brushes in the set too. So the first one is a large blending brush, which is perfect because you can never have too many blending brushes for your eyeshadow. So this is just what this one looks like. Next is the tapered blending brush, which is just like a skinnier version of the other blending brush. The next brush is a domed blending brush, so a lot of blending brushes, but this one is more dense, so it's perfect for packing that color on into the crease and just getting your transition color. Buffing blender brush. This one is more like flat, if that makes sense. Then it comes with a flat shader brush, a pencil brush, an angled brow brush. And lastly, the brush I am most excited for, and the whole reason I chose this specific set, was to try this flat concealer brush. I feel like this would be perfect for cleaning up your brows. The last thing that I got was the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Honestly, I was so on the fence about getting this palette, but I decided to get it because I wanted to get it when it first came out, but I didn't because I saw that it had the same colors as the 35B, but I just finally, like, it's one of those things that I wanted to get and I never got, and I kept thinking about it and thinking about it, and I kept seeing videos on it, and then finally I just decided to buy it. Since I spent over $30, I got a free brush set, and it comes with 10 brushes. So this is what the brush set looks like. Like I said, I got this for free. So you snap open the buttons and then the little salt thingies come out. This is what it looks like. You can use this as like a brush holder, or it's great for like traveling. Yes. Really quickly, I'm just gonna go over what each brush is. Yeah, this is the first brush. And I got this one, which is obviously for your eyeliner or your eyebrows. Angled bronzing brush or angled powder brush. Regular powder brush. I got this, whatever this is, like a flat shader brush, but like a really small one. This angled eyeshadow brush, this blending brush, and I think it's so cute that they're all in different colors. A foundation brush, a spoolie brush, this, I don't know what this is. So then I just have a few more makeup items that I picked up at Target the last time I was there. The first one that I got was the Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflaging Concealer. A friend of mine had recommended this to me. I have tried it once and I really like the coverage. It's a very full coverage and it's perfect if you get like bags under your eyes and stuff. The next one that I got is the Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer, and it has like a little sponge tip applicator. The next thing that I picked up, I've already used, but I'm obsessed with this powder, guys. It's the Fit Me powder, and I got it in the shade Fair. You guys, this powder is so good. It literally, your skin like soaks it up. It doesn't crease, it doesn't cake, it's so lightweight. I love how this looks on your skin. The thing that I picked up from Target was a Wet n Wild lip liner. This one is in the shade Plum Together. I have not tried it yet, but my favorite, like all-time ride or die favorite lip liner is from Wet n Wild, and it is the gel lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment. I use that every single day, but I wanted to try this one. It's just a plum color. Next in my haul, I have some more beauty related items, but no more makeup. First, I'm gonna start with nails. Lately, I've been obsessed with like doing my own nails because I love long nails and I love like acrylics and stuff. As some of you guys may or may not know, I do my own nails. I literally usually just do like the faux acrylic nails, but I wanted to try something else, and I wanted to try dip powder, which is actually acrylic, and they last longer supposedly, but you don't have to sit for 2 hours to get your nails done, and you don't have to pay as much. It's honestly like free 99 after you invest in the kit. Start off, I bought like a ton of nail polishes because if you're gonna do your own nails, you're probably gonna paint them too, and why not have a ton so that you have a nice variety. And since it's summer, I've decided to get a ton of fun colors. These nail polishes are honestly from a ton of different places. I got some from Salon Centric, I got some from Target, I got some from CVS, just literally random places. First two that I'm gonna show you are from Kiss. I got 3 shades from them. The first one is in the shade Blushed. I got the shade Pacific Dawn, which is like a hot pink color. And then lastly, from this brand, I got the shade Tan. It just looks like this. Next, I got some polishes from OPI. I bought these from Salon Centric. So these are from the new Grease collection, and I thought they had some really pretty shades. So the first one that I got was Met a Boy Cute as Can Be, that's the name, and it's this pastel yellow color. It's like beige shade, it's like an off-white beige kind of color, and I got it in the shade Don't Cry Over Spilled Milkshakes. I got this random brand, it's like a hot neon color, which I thought would also be fun for the summer, and it's in the shade I'm With the DJ. Then I got 2 China Glaze shades. The first one is in another baby yellow. It's not pastel, but it's not like bright yellow. It's just called Lemon Fizz. This. And then I got another neon color. It's in the shade Yellow Polka Dot Bikini from China Glaze. I got a shade from Wet n Wild, and it's just called Tickled Pink. It's like this pink, peachy pink color. Sparkly purple color from Sinful Colors. This one's like a hot pink color. This one is a like pastel green color, like a sea green, baby pink color, and a darker green color. So I am excited to try these. I got nail tips because you need these to form your acrylic. So I just got these from Amazon, and it comes with 100, I think. My most exciting purchase, like I was honestly so excited to get this. It is from, I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, but it's from Kiara Sky, and it's their Dip System color set. It basically, it comes with steps 1 through 6, like it labels them. The last step is honestly irrelevant, it has to do with your brushes, but it basically comes with the bond, the base coat, the seal protector, the top coat, and the cuticle oil. And then it comes with 5 powders for you to dip into. I currently have dip powder nails right now. I did these myself. I did them a few days ago. So they just look like this. And I honestly thought that the process was super simple. You just have to be careful and pay attention to what you're doing. The kit also comes with this cycling system, that's what it's called, but basically it's like another way if you don't want to dip your whole finger or your whole nail into the powder, you can just sprinkle the powder on and it like catches it, as you can see. So it came with this. I just bought this color separately because it came with a gold glitter, but I wanted silver, so I got this silver sparkly color. It's called Time for a Selfie by the same brand, Kiara Sky. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. I love doing haul videos. I'm always buying stuff and I love sharing what I bought. Like, it makes me excited all over again. I'm sorry I was gone for so long, but I will definitely try to post sooner, and I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I'll be outside, I'll be on the way.